6 minus 1 gives us 5. And again here we have 6 minus 1. So 5 times 5, which equals 25. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here we have 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So here first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this subtraction, it is wrong. So first this multiplication, 1 times 6 is just 6. So we have 6 minus 1. Now we have 2 subtractions, and when we have more than 1 subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this subtraction. 6 minus 6 is just 0. So 0 minus 1 gives us -1. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is -1.